All right, hey guys. We are at the Grandview Trailhead at the Grand Canyon National Park today. And the last few days we have been road tripping with Haley's mother and sister, Tammy and Megan. And we've been stopping at lots of places. We've stopped at Buckskin Gulch, we've stopped at Horseshoe Bend. And today we are hiking all the way down to the bottom of the Grand Canyon where we'll be camping for the night. And we're super excited. This trail is super cool so far. We're dropping down pretty quick. We've got amazing views the entire way so far. Check out just like in front of me. This canyon is massive. And if you look out back over this way, check this out. Oh, it's just massive. It's going really good so far. Made it down pretty far. You can see from where we started was way up there at the very top, and we are headed now down, and you kind of see around that corner is where we're gonna be going all the way down to the river. So this has been super cool so far. The trail's amazing. Alright, so we found another old mine, and this one actually has some old stuff out here next to it. And similar to the other one, you go in a little bit, but then it's gated off, so can't go in too far. So that's what we got.
This one's full of old amazing stuff.
So it's got some of the old mining equipment. It's back pretty far. So looking across that mountain, you can kind of see it starts at white, it goes to red, then to green, and then red again. We started on the other side, the white layer, and we're all the way down, probably a third of the way down through the green layer. So we're making some good progress. We've got our first glimpse of the Colorado River since we started hiking today. It is right down there. It's just a tiny sliver of it. Here's another shot of the river kind of off in the distance. We're getting close. Looks great. We're gonna head down right up over here. Still have a little bit of elevation to drop to get there. We made it down to the river, and we're going to our camp area, which will just be right up here. Alright, so we've got our nice swimming area here. These guys are filtering water out for us, and it's a little cold, the water, but we're gonna take a dip anyways. Alright, this is awesome. I've got sandy river bottom here. There's sand dunes up at the top where we're going to be putting our tents. The water is cold, but it's not that bad. So, but check out this view. It's just so pretty out there. Got our jet boil going, and we've got our freeze-dried meals here, and we're gonna have ourselves some dinner. All right, it is morning, so we are gonna pack up, eat some breakfast, and then head out. We've got about 4,000 feet of elevation we've got to climb. It's gonna be hard, but it's gonna be really fun. All right, we are all packed up and headed out. We're gonna be going up the new Hance Trail today. Alright, that's where we're going out at, and we just came up over here from way down there. We're getting up pretty quick today, so gonna make it to the top. All right, we made it up to the top of the new Hance Trail. It was a long day, a lot of elevation gain, but we made it, and it was awesome. Yeah. If you want to find out more about which trail we did, check out the description. Also, you want to see what gear we used, check out the description for that as well. And if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe.